YouTube, welcome to the shop. Thomas here. Well, got a new HackerBox 0048 SimSat. I wonder what this could be. I wonder if it has anything to do with satellite. I wonder. That would be pretty cool. Alright, let's open this up and find out. Back that off a little bit. I see jumpers already, and I see, yeah, jumper antenna. Looks like we got a can't really see it with that bag on there. So we got a GPS antenna. Maybe one of these days. How about that? That a little better. That's a wee bit on the shiny side. Alright. What else we got in here? Where's my scissors? Okay, little, I always get this confused if it's mini or micro USB breakout board. I think that's a mini, or micro rather. Nice. Let's see, what is this? This looks like a GPS module. I wonder if it is. Oh no, this is FCCID. I guess this is for the, I don't know, can you see it? I need to get some glasses. I'm having a hard time seeing it. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Okay, so I see it now. It says sim.com on it. So yeah, that must be the sim thing, and that must be for the sim card. That makes sense for satellite stuff. Maybe. Get out. Get out. There you go. Sort mode of headers. And this looks familiar. What is this? Doesn't actually say on it, but I see a little antenna on it. I mean, I'm almost certain we've gotten this board in the past, but I don't see a name on it. But it has a little socket for an antenna. Oh yeah, got a bunch of little breadboards. That's awesome. Some yeah, some little tiny micro cables. They go right there on that little SMA. So that'll work pretty good. There's two of those. Ah, there it is. GSM and BT. Nice. So you can actually select. That's cool. Only one rubber ducky. Oh yeah, okay. Sorcom. Yeah. That's cool. And HackerBoxes. Sticker. Decal. I think we've gotten that a couple times. Hack the planet. I don't know, for some reason a lot of these things that I'm looking at today are just the wrong color for my camera. Is that it? Yeah, one rubber ducky. Alright, that's pretty cool. Interesting. This should be interesting. Alright, see you guys next time.